This is my second IPS. The experience is fantastic. It's a rare company that understands and lives their approach and their motto of the customer being the center point.
IPS is a very unique experience for us. We really enjoy being able to have that interaction and offer a way to better the product and help improve the product, but also perhaps learn the way other companies are using it and make it better for us.
It's a great event. It's a good time to sit down with the developers, talk through any issues we're having. The other part is the networking, being able to talk with a bunch of other companies, see how they use the software. Those are the two main reasons we come out.
You know, I use IntelliEvent as a sales tool, reference tool, and hearing how other people use it, it helps me a lot. You know, some of the reporting structures, how I can pull up information. I picked up a lot this week, no doubt about it.
I love the fact that they will take the time to spend with us to figure out what we need.